Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Leo. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now on the monthly chart here, we can see a clear resistance level at the swing high here. And we notice a level of support forming right here. Now let's hop to the weekly chart so we can see more price action. Now here, we can fine tune our level to the candle close here, which lines up with the candle wicks we see over here, acting as resistance, and now we see the level acting as support. So we can also plot in a key level right here, as we see two rejections, clear, acting as support. Now as price comes up, we see a long wick reacting around the level, where we can expect a reaction to this level. Now, we also notice a key level right here. So we can see price acting as resistance, and we see price acting as support at this level. We can also plot in a key level here, as we have resistance and support. So, multiple reactions to this level acting as resistance and support, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly chart. So, these are all of our key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.